Our goal at Autarco is to empower you to reach full potential as an installer. In this video, we guide you through connecting a LAN Stick D or Wi-Fi Stick D to an inverter, enabling Autarco to monitor the system's performance and provide valuable insights. By following these steps, you'll be able to take full advantage of your solar system's capabilities and ensure it's operating at its full potential. Let's start by plugging the LAN stick into the corresponding communication port of the inverter. First, make sure that the position of the connection piece of the stick is correct, by placing the small notch on the contact, so that the numbering of the 4-pin connector matches the numbering on the inverter port. The LEDs should always face forward. Once the stick is in place, tighten it by turning only the black ring on the top. Be careful not to twist the blue housing. Also, do not over-tighten the stick. This is not necessary, and if you do, you won't be able to unscrew it. When the red light is on, and the black ring is close to the inverter, the stick's placement is correct. There are 3 LED indicator lights and a reset button on the LAN stick. From bottom to top, you see the red power light indicated with PWR, the orange communication light is indicated with COM, and the green network light is indicated with NET. And then the reset button. The lights will give you information about the status of your system, so let's take a moment to explain what each light means. Here are the functions of the green light. Now orange. And finally the red light. To connect the stick to the local network, you have 2 options with the LAN Stick D. If you're connecting the LAN stick to a wireless network, you'll need a laptop, phone, or tablet to establish the internet connection. Follow the steps outlined in the manual. This process can take up to 10 minutes. Using an Ethernet cable to connect the LAN stick to a wired network, unscrew the cap and remove the rubber insert. For outdoor installations, you'll also need to remove the rubber from the water shield, wrap it around the Ethernet cable, and put it back into the water shield. Then, plug the Ethernet cable connector into the stick's Ethernet port, and screw all the parts back together. Finally, connect the cable to the network if you haven't done so. To indicate that the stick works correctly, the orange communication light will begin to flash and then remain solid. The green network light will start to flash and then stay solid. Don't worry if green or orange blinks occasionally. Don't worry if does one of the lights keep blinking or doesn't light. We'll cover troubleshooting in a separate video. If wished, reconfigure the Wi-Fi network by pressing the button for 15 seconds. Both the green and orange lights should turn off shortly. We hope this installation video has been helpful. However, if you still have issues with your LAN stick, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.